President of the Acrobatic, Sri Santosh Sukadeva, IAS Secretary of the Sports, Dr. Ajay Gowdy, Sri Sudhir Mittal, President of the Gymnastic Federation of India, distinguished delegates from the Asian Gymnastic Union, officials from the Sports Authority of India, coaches, athletes and friends across Asia. Very warm welcome to all of you gathered here today. It is a matter of great joy and pride to stand before you this morning. We open the 14th Acrobatic Gymnastic Asian Championship 2025. This moment carries the emotions and history. After nearly the 19 years as the Asian level gymnastic championship returns to India and it returns to Goa. This is the first ever international acrobatic gymnastic competitions hosted by Gymnastic Federation of India, and we could not have asked for the better place to begin this new chapter. Goa may be the small in size, but our dream in sports are big. Our government continues to invest in building the sports infrastructure, coaching support and youth program that encourage every child to take up sports. Through the Directorate of the Sports and Youth Affairs and the Sports Authority of Goa, the several stadium, ground and the training centers have been upgraded to the international standard. Our goal is clear to make Goa is the destination for both the national and international sporting event. The arena you see around you, the Dayananda Bandodkar Krida Sankul at Pedem, has already witnessed some proud moments. The 2 years ago, during the National Games 2023, the gymnastic from every corner of India filled with this very stadium with the energy, color and celebrations. Today, the story continues, but this time, the cheers will echo in these many languages of Asia. This is the stage where the young athletes will rise and where the flag of the many nations will fly together. Our Honorable Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi ji has given India a clear call through Fit India movement. To make this fitness the way of life, the gymnastic in many ways represent what Fit India stands for. Balance, focus, coordination and inner strength. When we host the events like this, we are inspiring the generations to move, the train and believe in themselves.